What's up, guys? Today we're back with our brand new YouTube channel.
We are surviving in my backyard, but we're in my backyard is the woods. We're in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. Middle of nowhere.
Put your phone like this.
Tents over there. Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Tents over there. Can't really see it.
Here's our firewood.
Yeah, this is our firewood just right now.
We're literally in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, as you can see.
We brought all this with our stuff because.
And then I'm gonna edit this to CapCut. Like edit all.
There's nothing. I gotta get in a better mood. I gotta get in a better mood now because now I'm scared.
All right, guys. We hope Bigfoot comes out and has some s'mores with us. Yeah, the sun's about to rise. Like 20 minutes.
Yoo-hoo, it's a Labubu!
Fire. All right, we're gonna go get some firewood. Okay.
We have some firewood.
No, like over there. Twigs. Off the tree.
Yeah.
Come on.
Look so cute for cute other people.
3, 2.
If we get this, we're gonna hit another one.
Can we grab a hold of it? 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got it. Yes, sir. Y'all should see how much firewood we got now. Look at all this. All this stuff over here. Got all this cardboard. Smart Schoolboy 9, what are you doing? Siren Head, what are you doing out here, dude?
Smash that like button and smash that subscribe button.
Sorry. I have to cut that out.
Like a
I'm gonna get demonetized.
Yeah.
And there was literally coyotes outside whenever we were in the tent. It was like 11. And currently, what time is it?
4 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock.
Show them. 4:30 in the morning, 4:50 in the morning, almost 5 o'clock. And we've been up since 11. Yeah.
We at least
Right
got
there.
30 minutes of sleep.
Yep.
And we tried to go to sleep, but
Our phone was dead, and we couldn't sleep.
you gotta hold it like this.
Oh, it is.
Who's gonna watch it on their TV like that?
Yeah, you're right. Sorry, guys. We gotta go around and show them our stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go see our tent. Alright, Kane, you need to give them a tour.
Okay. Let me.
Alright, come on. Alright, so this is our log that we sit on to, watch the fire, fill the fire. And then this is the tent.
So we got our snacks right there.
Yeah, we have a whole bunch of snacks.
Give me the Pringles.
Nah.
Them sound good right now.
Just wait.
My hot Cheetos over there.
Yeah, this is the bed setup.
We got Hershey's. We also do.
Her pistol go. Her pistol go. I said her pistol go.
Show them that we're literally in the woods. Trees above us. Sorry if y'all can't see. Alright, come on, Ken. There's a tree over there. You can't really see him. There's one in the distance over there. Put some wood. We don't need fire.
It's just. need to actually log in, guys. I'm sorry. I apologize for my actions.
4:56.
It is.
Yeah. Here's much more woods. Fix this up right here. That's really good. Alright guys, we just heard a wolf in the background. A wolf over there. There's a wolf way down there. See that tree over there? It's way farther back. Dude, it literally smells like. Oh! Alright guys, it's 5 in the morning.
It turns light outside.
In 1 hour. It's literally 30 a second here.
And I think the wolves are coming.
No, coyotes.
They smell us. We're cooked.
Yeah, we're fried. This is getting really scary, guys. Because I didn't mean to hold back. God, dude. God. I'm stupid. Alright, guys. It is 6:01 in the morning. And the sun is rising. Open the blind. Show them. Sun is rising. And we need to go to bed because we did not get any sleep. Except for me. I got like 2 hours of sleep. Alright, but if you like this video, come back.
Smash that like button. And hit that subscribe button with your nose.
I said, her pistol go.